Hello everybody, my name is Aditya and today we're going to be creating the JSON intents.json file which is the database for our Jarvis. I'm sorry for not uploading for a few days because I had a few exams going on, so I was not able to upload, but now it has finished, so I can continue on giving you more videos like this. So the last video we have created our neural network.py, which is this one, and today we're going to be creating the intents.json, which is our database. So first make a brackets, inside the brackets type in intents, and then another bracket, and then another bracket. Now inside this we're going to typing our tags, pattern, and then our response inside the intents. So the tags is gonna be like, suppose we are greeting someone, so hi, hello, hey, how are you there, something like that. So that's going to be our greetings, so we can identify that they are greetings, and something like bye, goodbye, see you later, they are our uh, they're like our goodbye type of tags. And then how are you doing well, those are our health tags. So we can identify what we are saying, and then according to that it'll the computer will analyze what we are saying, and then it's going to choose the tag. Inside the tag it's going to choose our response. So let me just type it out and then let me show you what it does. Tags, and then greeting, comma, oh sorry, uh, wrong spelling, patterns. Now put in brackets again. Now inside this, hello, then hi, hey, Jarvis, wake up. You can add more, I'm just writing a few examples over here, but you can write as many as you want. Are you there? Then you there. Okay, uh yeah, I think this should be enough. You can add more as long as you want, but right now I'm just giving you a few examples. So suppose we say hi. Now let's do one thing, let's just write responses. Yeah, so what we'll do, uh, we have not created our list for this one, but we will create a list just a little while later. So what we're doing is that we're saying hello, hi, hey, Jarvis, wake up, are you there, something like that. Now what it'll do, it'll see what we're saying, and then it'll analyze it, and then it'll choose the tag which is appropriate for it, and then it'll give us the response. So it'll either say hello, let's put this as capital, hello. So it will say hello, and then it will say how are you, and then you can have it as hey, oh sorry, hey, then uh, I I am online. So we can do many things. You can add a lot of things in here, but right now I'm just giving you a few examples, so it's a little less. So what it'll do, it will analyze what we are saying, and then uh, it'll give us the response such as hello, how are you, hey, I'm online, something like that. It's easy to understand, I know, but once you like make it too long, it'll be hard to understand. I mean, like, suppose we have hundreds of these, and then now you're gonna have to search for the thing. Just suppose, let's put it as we have one over here. Let me just copy this. Control C, Control V. So suppose we have hundreds of this. So what we have to do, it's not going to be hard for the computer to decide to where it is, where's that, where's that. It's not going to be hard for the computer. It's going to be hard for us if you are making more of them. So right now I recommend keeping it small and then testing it again and again. And if it's not working, you can change it, do that things. But after that, it's going to be very long. So for that time, it's going to be hard to analyze them and hard to correct them if they're wrong. So bye. We're gonna give the feeling of bye over here. So bye, goodbye. See you later. And then you can put in go to sleep. Sleep. Get some rest. Some rest. And then you can put in good night if you want. Yeah. So as you can see, we have created the bye feeling for this, but there's still a problem because we need to change this response, or else it'll be the same response. It'll just say whatever it wants. Like you can see, sorry, it's not gonna say whatever it wants. It's gonna say the same thing, uh, which is hello, how are you? Hey, I am online. Hello, how are you? Hey, I'm online. Something like that. So we're gonna change this to let's say bye, goodbye, and then I am going offline. Then okay, I'll get some sleep, or okay, I'm going to rest, something like that. Okay, I am going to get some rest. You can add more, but I'm just adding these few. So we have two of them created. Next, we're gonna add in the health. So just copy it from here. Control C, Control V. Now we're gonna add in health. How are oh how are you are you doing well? Are you fine? Are you good? Uh, let's put in how are oh, what am I doing? How are you doing? So let's just add these few, and then inside of here, we're gonna give in the response. I am fine. Mm, I am perfect. I am doing great. And then I am doing just fine. So this is our responses for our health. Uh, Next, we're going to be creating the identity. So it's going to be creating the identity for the AI, not for us. We're going to be creating our identity also. It's going to be in my identity. So copy this identity, your name, who are you, uh, let's put in what are you, uh, what is your name, is your name. Okay, so next the response, I am Jarvis. My name is Jarvis. What are you? I am an AI. Okay, so that should do it. There we go. Now we're going to creating our own identity. Hmm, let's put in my name. My name, what is my name? Uh, yeah, let's put in one more. Let's put in who am I? Okay, I think only three responses are enough. Who am I? You are Aditya. You can add in your name, of course. Don't add in my name, but you can set it like this. You are Aditya. Sorry, your name is Aditya. There we go. This is my identity. You can add in one more if you want. You can actually add in two more, which is health of mine, because we added the health of the Jarvis. So how are you that? So it's going to be asking like, just wait. Uh, yeah. So suppose it says that how are you? You can say I'm doing great, and then it will respond to that. Oh, nice to hear that you're great. You can add that, but I'm not gonna add that. It's for you to do. And if you face any problems, I will help you. So in the next video, we're going to be creating the trainer. After that, they're going to be creating the main file. So after that, we're going to be like starting to use it, or else from right now we can't use anything. We only have the brain, we only have the database, listen, neural network, speak. Those things are only working, but we do not have like the main body for it. and after that we're going to be doing task execution, of course. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.